So we don't have a lot going on this week or the next, well actually now we will, because it's been a slow week. Irene just got back. I've been enjoying her. Her trip went amazing. I will put a video together with her pictures so you guys can see how she did on her trip. Not a lot of them have photos of her because she just took a lot of pictures of the places she went to. She had an amazing time, and I had a hard time with her being gone. I don't know if I ever mentioned. So it was hard for me to not have her here at home. It was hard for me to try to just even go about my day without her. Definitely had to feel, it was the oddest thing. I know other people are probably like, what the heck, she was only gone for so long, like why is it such a big deal? But when you're 15, 16 years old and your daughter becomes your best friend and that's your only friend for a really long time, you tend to grow a really strong bond, such a strong attachment. Enjoying these videos, definitely just recording them for my mom and my dad. Is always asked like, oh, what are you guys doing? You know, record, and not just for them, but for us too. You know, lately we've been going through old videos from when me and my husband started dating and when we first had our daughter. He loves to record. His favorite thing is to record and take lots of photos. So our life is very documented. Some of the things we'll be doing in the next couple of days are Matthew's gifts that we gave him for his birthday, but they weren't happening on his birthday. So yeah, I hope you guys come along. Well, you're gonna have to come along because I am going to videotape it.
Whoa, man, that cool piggy? The pet her, Irene? Pet her. Oh, that's cool.
I'm sorry, it's too noisy.
What's up, mijo? Yeah, a hand massager. You wanna go see the hamster show?
Yeah, I wanna go in one of those bubbles, Dada.
Okay, we'll go check it out. You know what this is called? This is called the Washington State Fair. What are those? No, baby chicks. Those baby chickens.
Those are ducklings or chicks?
What are those? The baby goats. Those are real goats. Whoa. He's getting ready for Thanksgiving. That's an alpaca. Come. Get closer and look at it. Okay.
Oh, sorry, honey. Sorry.
Piggy!
Little piggies, little piglets. Go get closer. Come on. Oh, look, this one's got a little baby next to it, or maybe, I don't know. I'll give you a clue. It goes like this.
That's an ox!
It's a cow. Ox, you silly kiddo. Hello, cow.